Want to grow your money without lifting a finger? Reinvesting dividends is how smart investors turn tiny payouts into serious wealth. Here's how it works and why it's so powerful. When a company pays you dividends, you've got two choices: take the cash or reinvest it, using that payout to buy more shares of the same stock or ETF. When you reinvest, you're not just earning on your original investment, you're earning on your dividends too. That's compounding, the force Einstein supposedly called the eighth wonder of the world. Let's break it down. You invest $1,000 in a stock, paying a 5% dividend. Year one, you get $50 in dividends. Reinvest it. Now your total is $1,050. Next year, 5% of that is $52.50. Reinvest again, and now you're earning 5% on $1,102.50. It doesn't feel dramatic at first, but give it time, and it takes off. After 10 years, reinvesting gives you $1,628. Taking the cash, just $1,500. You didn't invest a single extra dollar. You just let your dividends do the work. Reinvesting gives you three big advantages: faster growth, your portfolio snowballs. Built-in dollar cost averaging, you buy more when prices dip. Set and forget simplicity. It runs on autopilot. It's like planting seeds that replant themselves every season. Warren Buffett bought Coca-Cola stock in the 1980s. Today, it pays him over $700 million a year, just in dividends. That didn't happen overnight. He reinvested, he held, and he let compounding do the heavy lifting. The earlier you start reinvesting, the more powerful the effect becomes. Because time is your greatest asset. It's the wealth builder's cheat code. And the best part? Most brokers let you automate it with something called DRIP, a dividend reinvestment plan. We'll show you how to set that up in an upcoming episode. Hit subscribe. Stickonomics, finance, drawn simply.